She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure back with a new video, and I'm going to keep the intro short because I need to go get ready, but I'm getting ready to do a photo shoot with this hair background that is literally just cardboard boxes. I'm going for a rugged industrial look for this photo shoot, but let me get into it. And now for the actual photo shoot, because all the cardboard boxes are officially up. That wraps up this photo shoot. Very simple, easy. Just took a bunch of cardboard boxes because I'm always receiving something in the mail, so I figured I'd put those boxes to use, do a photo shoot. So I spent all night last night breaking down boxes and prep for this photo shoot and taping them up using a whole roll of tape just to hold this up, which I probably ruined the paint on my walls. So if you are in a rental, be careful when doing this. But in the end, once I started taping up all these boxes, I actually realized an easier way. So you know those free boxes that like UPS gives and the post office also gives the free boxes? These are actually much easier to use. They're smaller, so you'll need more, but they're easier to use just because they already have the adhesive on the inside. So all I had to do was stick a bunch of these together. They already have the adhesive. It's less tape I need to use. Easier to put together because since I was doing this by myself, it was so hard to hold the box up there and try to tape it, especially when going to the top because I'm short. These were a lot easier. I ended up doing most of these on the floor, which was the easier part to put together. But if you can get your hands on a bunch of these boxes, or if you already have some, these are the easier ones to use. So I have another idea of doing a photo shoot inside this gift box. Well, really it's a shipping box that I wrapped up with wrapping paper, and doing a photo shoot that way, kind of giving it a Christmas theme but also keeping my branding in there. So that's why you see mostly pink and white versus red and green, or red and white for that matter. Sorry, I'm so out of breath from getting ready. But this is another photo shoot that I did with a cardboard box. Very simple and easy. All I did was take a box that I received, some product in. I cut the top part off of it because I didn't show you guys how I prepared the box in the video. I'll show you the rest of the setup, but I didn't show the box in the video. So once I cut the top part of this off so that way I can actually get into it as if I'm the present, then I took a roll of wrapping paper that I got from Dollar Tree, so $1 on one roll of wrapping paper, and I just wrapped it around the box. Folded the insides in so that way the edges would be covered. The bottom of the box, which you can't see, is not really covered because you can't see it. And then the roll of wrapping paper that I had did not cover fully the back side of the box, but again, you can't see it, so it doesn't really matter. But just to give you guys an idea, if your box is bigger than mine, you may need 2 rolls, or if you're going to be doing photos from different angles and you need to cover all sides, you may need 2 rolls. But 1 roll was good enough for me to be able to cover the front because most of my pictures are going to be from the same angle. So let me go ahead and show you guys the rest of the setup once the box was wrapped, and then I'm going to get into shooting. And now for shooting on the second photo shoot. Now you guys will see in this first outfit, I didn't have my camera set up right, so you guys can't really see me. You're just looking at the bottom of the box. So I'll skip through this one really quickly and go to look 2, so that way you guys can actually see something. The only thing is with the other looks, because I'm inside the box, you really can't see much there either. I probably should have changed the camera angle, but you guys will at least get the full photo reveal.